Hey guys, happy St. Patrick's Day, and today I'm going to create like a glamorous green St. Patrick's Day makeup look since today is St. Patrick's Day. Alright, so before we get started, make sure you subscribe, comment below, give this a video a big thumbs up for more love and support, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date for my new YouTube videos coming out. And I will do my best to post more of the vlogs videos on my main YouTube channel, so you want to go check it out. The link is down below, so go subscribe to my main YouTube channel. It's Nicole Asensio Official. Alright, so hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. And today I'm gonna tell you guys like how much I was sleepy to death. Like let's say yesterday I just woke up too late. I was supposed to go to church today, but unfortunately I couldn't make it because I went to bed too late at around like 11ish. I am sorry, but I don't know what's going on, but I'm so tired to death and I couldn't get up that late or that early because I was too tired. I mean, it's not a bad thing that you just wake up that very early, nor waking up that very late. Like, I just woke up too sleepy to death again. I don't know what's going on with me, but I kept waking up very sleepy to death, blah, blah, blah. Like, I don't know what's going on with me, but this is like crazy morning. Why? Because, first of all, I'm not a morning person. Two, I like to stay up late. Three, I get to make my own decisions, like what time I can go to bed, what time I can just wake up early in the mornings or late. Usually I wake up late if I don't have classes. Let's say the days I don't have classes, then I have the right to either wake up early, wake up late, I don't know. No later than 9 because then morning will be over. Now I'm gonna have breakfast like later than 10 a.m. Alright, I'm gonna try those two while I talk to you guys about like how much I'm gonna try to get like a routine of not being able to wake up that sleepy to death like every time in the mornings. Every single morning it's the situation happens. I don't understand the circumstance, but I'm gonna try my best not to wake up that late because first of all, once again, I'm not a morning person. So, not everybody is a morning person, but it's okay. Not only that, but I need to have the routine to set my alarms because sometimes when I go to bed, like the night before, I forgot to set an alarm. One time I had to get up for school, or let's say if I don't have school, but I got something to do, like the things to do, or let's say if I have a hangout today, then I would have like a curfew of what time I should wake up. So I don't wake up no later than 9 a.m. because then morning will be over. And once morning is over, then go enjoy the rest of your day. I am sorry, but that's how the days are. So I prefer not to wake up like at around 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. because then mornings will go by too fast. By the way, I was supposed to do more of the St. Patrick's Day looks, but unfortunately, I only did like 1 or 2. I don't know what's going on, but my schedule is kind of like cut off because I don't understand the circumstances when I want to like post videos or have the opportunity to do more before St. Patrick's Day, but unfortunately, I only did like at least 1 video or 2. I forgot how many I did so far this year before St. Patty's Day. Like, I don't know what's going on with my schedule, but I got some things to do, but I was so tired to death. I don't know why, but this is like crazy. Like, I don't know what's going on with me, but I'm gonna try my best, so don't worry. Alright, I'm gonna do the eyebrows. And today I'm going to be using those palettes. So first, I'm going to go with this palette, the pastel Cosmetics Profusion eyeshadow palette. I had it for 3 years ago. I don't know why I kept this here in my makeup bag. Like, I don't know why. But it's okay though, because I got more colors to do. So I'm gonna do like a sparkling lime green color called Alive, and plus I'm gonna do like a light green color called Good Luck. While I do that, I'm gonna tell you guys a story, like how much I was like depressed when I quit music and deciding not to do like a music career comeback until further notice. So let me tell you guys how I felt. When I announced that, I felt like I was so stressed and very depressed because I'm getting so much hate when I announced I'm gonna quit music until further notice. Due to that, I'm getting so much hate every time I drop a new song, and then all of a sudden I'm getting so much hate. Let's say getting low views, low likes. Like nobody's listening to my new songs that I have released on all the platforms, like online for instance. Like, I don't know what's the circumstance, but this is like depressing and like very stressed because I definitely want my music to go viral, like at least 1,000 views. And what it means for me is that like every time I post a sneak peek of my new music on social media, getting less likes, less comments, like I don't know why, but at least I got like more than 10 likes, but I need like at least 1,000 likes. But I don't know what's the problem with getting like 1,000 likes and 1,000 comments on social media, and every time I post a new song or a sneak peek. Like, this is like depressing. Like, this is like stressing me out because of this, as I hate when this situation happens. I don't know why, because I felt like uh nobody likes my music and nobody's streaming my new music. I told them, go stream my new music if you want, blah, blah, blah. But they never, not even one person that just streamed my music. Or, I don't know, like less people, they never stream my music. Like, that's kind of like embarrassing of like nobody streaming my music every time I post it. Not the day of, but a sneak peek before it's released. By the way, I'm gonna be using this palette. So I'm gonna use like both these two green colors. I'm just gonna mix those two instead of using one at a time. But while I do that, I'm gonna continue to tell you guys the story I was telling you all. It's just because I'm getting less views and less comments, that does not mean it hurts my feelings. And that does not mean it's heartbreaking for me, but it's like waiting is like a lot of patience. This is stressing me out since I had to wait and wait and wait a very long time. And then once time flies, I checked on Spotify, and then all of a sudden I didn't get like 1,000 likes and 1,000 comments like on all the music platforms when I just released my new songs. So I'm gonna do more next month when I return to making new music. I work my ass off so hard when I try to like compose my new music and writing the song lyrics. Sometimes I get help from my friends. We talked about like what do I want to write about, what's my new song that I want to write about. So we give like song ideas and this and that, blah blah blah. But it's like hard to like for to get like more views on Spotify, including all the platforms, to get more views and more likes. But I'm gonna be using those next two palettes, and I had to use the dark green, which just matches my shirt, and this too. For that, I'm gonna use just the green color. I'm not gonna use the lime green right now because I already used the lime green for the other palettes, so I'm gonna use just this dark green color. So speaking of my music and my retirement, well, that does not mean I am retiring from making music. That's not a thing. So, to be honest, that's not what happens. That does not mean I'm retiring from making music. It's just like a temporarily hiatus until further notice. Because I definitely want to like wait until like I get more views, like it's hard for me to wait because now I'm in a waiting period until people streams my new music and get like more views and more likes, more plays on Spotify and all the platforms. So now my goal is to do like promote more of my music so that way I can get enough views on Spotify. So that is why I decide to quit music because I'm getting so much hate and so many low likes, more no low views. Like this is embarrassing. I don't know why I announced that to my fans, but that does not mean it's my fault. Like, it's my decision, it's my thing. But that does not mean I am retiring permanently. No, that's not a thing. What the thing is, I decided to take like a temporarily break until further notice. So now it's like been like 5.5 months of quitting music. So I said, okay, why don't we go back April 1st, April Fool's, scare the living shit out of my fans, tell them it's a joke, I give up, I'll just keep doing what I'm doing, that makes me happy. And you are wondering why I am still talking about why I'm quitting music? It's because I feel bad for myself and I just couldn't help myself that if I would give up of not quitting my new music or quitting making music and just move forward to my next chapter, but that's not a thing. That's not what actually happened. That's not a thing. That's not what actually happened. But what happened is I just announced my temporarily break from making music until further notice. But I will do my best to do more, promote new music so I could get more streams because the more the better. So yeah, as of going forward, when I return to making new music, I give up like not to quit music anymore, even though I'm getting like less likes, less views on social media and all the music platforms. I decided to give up, so this is what I'm gonna be doing. All right, but that doesn't happen until April 1st. All right, we're like 2 weeks ahead, and then I'm going back to making new music. Right? Like I promised. Alright guys, so I just put on the fake eyelashes and this is the one that I've been using, this one. And I'll just link it down below so you can go check it out. It's up to you. Alright. Now let's do the lips. I'm gonna use like this 444 tropical coral lipstick from L'Oreal Paris. Okay, so I finished with my St. Patty's Day makeup look the day of. So hope you guys liked it. And my hair is kind of like a little disaster. Like I don't like to go take pictures with this hair like that. I think I want to like curl it up a little bit, and I have to fix my bangs. All right, so I'm gonna fix my hair, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. So this is my hairstyle. I did the curls in my hair and I just did my bangs like I always do. Check out my rings. Those are from Primark, by the way, which I had it since 2022. Like I used it for my 17th birthday, but I did remember. Right? So these are my earrings. This is from Primark. Looks cool. This is my fit check. This is my full outfit. So slay. Okay guys, so thanks for watching my today's St. Patty's Day makeup look, which is like a glamorous green color, but it's like darkish green mixed with bright green, lime green, and light green color, like a pastel green. Of course, I just wore like a light green eyeshadow, but otherwise, thanks for watching. So if you did like this video, give it a big thumbs up. This will be helpful towards my next video. And got a few days left. We're 2 weeks ahead, and then I am going to be returning to making new music. I'm so excited. I should be fully ready like the night before and then the day of. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Do you want to keep watching me? And see you in my next videos. And happy St. Patrick's Day!